Hello children, welcome to my channel Start Read Win. In this video we are going to see Class 4 Term 3 Mathematics Unit 3 Measurements. So first let us see what is meant by measurements. Okay, so what is measurement? The act or process of measuring something. So we have to measure something. Example, time, weight, length, breadth, area, volume. Okay, all these comes under measurement. The temperature we check for fever. Okay, weight of some objects or weight of a human being, all comes under measuring. And what we buying from shop, 1 kg of rice, 1 kg of dal, 2 kg of rice. Okay, all these comes under measurements. In our day-to-day life we are measuring many things. Okay, a glass of water, a bucket of water, okay, a glass of milk, and all these comes under measuring. We can measure yard, inch, tablespoon. Okay, in kitchen what we do, all these comes under measurements only. And a cup, okay, 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of dal, then pint, it is bigger than the cup. Okay, then weighing machine, ounce, pound, quart. Okay, it is like a milk measurement. Gallon is also a big liquid container which is used to measure milk, liquid, all those things. Okay, gallon of milk, 2 gallon of milk. Okay, they will measure with that. Okay, and the weighing machine. Okay, weight we will measure it through grams, kilograms. Okay, we will see in the next picture. See, the weight can be measured. So 1 kg, 2 kg, 500 gram, 250 gram. Okay, 550 gram, 700 gram, like that. All these can be measured. All these also comes under measurements. Next we are going to see some equipments used to measure. So weight, we all know, right? We used to put weight in the weight machine, and in vegetable shops they used to weight with different machines. Then length can be measured by tape, scales. Okay, all those things used for measuring the length. And the capacity can be measured with bottles or beakers or funnel type beakers. Okay, so we can use length, measuring length, it is scale, and for capacity we are using beakers or measuring cups, and for weighting we are using a weight machine. This is used for vegetables and all those solid items. Okay, then we will see how we can measure with them. Okay, and temperature, the fever we check, it is also a measurement. Okay, so all these are can be measured. This is what they are trying to say. Okay, weight, length, capacity and volume, temperature, all comes under measurement. So let's see what and all we can measure. Time, height, okay, temperature, length and weight, all these comes under measurements. Okay, we are going to recall this one. So all these you are already know, so we are going to give a recall. Okay, a one dimension quantity, length, and it is represented as, so one dimension quantity means it has only the length. What we can say, okay, we are drawing the line with the help of the scale. Okay, so it is a single line, it only has length, no any thickness or breadth, anything like that. Okay, next one, two dimension quantity, length and breadth, which can be represented as, so they are given a box type structure. So for that we can see, may give examples as paper, a sheet of paper. Okay, so it has length and height. Okay, so two dimension has length and height, it does not have any thickness. Okay, example we can take our paper. Okay, chart paper. Okay, it has length and height, but it does not have any box type structure or three-dimensional view for that one. The space occupied here is 1 into 1. Okay, so if we multiply 1 into 1, it is in centimeter. We can use the scale to draw this box. So it has 1 and 1. So 1 into 1 is 1 centimeter square, because it has length and breadth. It is all both in centimeter. So it is centimeter square. Two-dimensional quantity is called as area. Okay, how we will calculate area? We have to multiply length into height, or length into breadth. Definition of volume. When we expand 1 centimeter from the surface of 2D, it forms 3D. Okay, so what will be the example for a volume? Okay, you all know that cube, okay, which we used to play. So this is a 3D object. Okay, now when we see only the top side, okay, see alone the blue side means it has length and height. Okay, that is called 2D dimension, but this total cube is called 3D dimension. So that is what they explained here. The space occupied here is 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter equal to 1 centimeter cube. So length will be 1 centimeter, height will be 1 centimeter, and the thickness of the cube will be also 1 centimeter. Okay, I am giving example, but the size of the cube is not like that. Maybe we can create like that. Okay, 1 centimeter cube. Three-dimensional quality is called as volume. So two-dimension quantity is called as area. Three-dimension quantity is called as volume. So volume is the space occupied by any 3D object: cone, cube, cuboid, cylinder. Okay, we can take the example of cylinder which we have in our home. Okay, it is a cuboid. It is in cylindrical shape, but it has gas filled in it. So it is also here has three-dimensional view. Let us see the next topic. Measuring volume of given liquid using containers marked with standard units. Measuring volume of given liquid using containers marked with standard units. So they have given, do you know? We can write milliliters as ml and liters as L. Okay, milliliter is small when compared to liters. Okay, so 1000 ml is equal into 1 liter. So see, first one is 1 by 4 liter, that is 250 ml. The next one is 1 by 2, that is 500 ml. Okay, in liters they are saying 1 by 2 liter, in ml they are saying 500 ml. The next one is 3 by 4, that is 750 ml. Okay, and this is 1 liter 1000 ml, this big one. Okay, this is used to measure liquids and pour. Okay, so 1 liter means they will use this one. If it is 750 ml means they will use that small one. Like that they use these equipments to measure liters, that is liquid things. Let us see the activity. List out the measures used at your home for the following item. List out the measures used at your home for the following items. Items quantity in liters: water, milk, oil, petrol and diesel. So water we used to measure in 1 liters. Milk we are going to measure it in 1 liters. Oil we will measure it in 2 liters, and petrol we measure it in 1 liters, and diesel in 2 liters. Let us see another activity. Let us find out how many liters and milliliters of water can be filled in this bucket by using half liter and 1 liter. So using this measurement we have to calculate. Let us find out how many liters and milliliters of water can be filled in this bucket by using bottle, half liter and 1 liter. So if we are taking a bucket, okay, with a capacity of 10 liters. Okay, then how many times we have to fill it? So 1 liter bottle. Okay, we have to fill it by 10 times. If we pour 10 liters in this, it will get filled up. Second one, if it using half liter bottle, then how many times it is required to fill this bucket? 20 times. So if we pour half liter 20 times, the bucket will get filled up. Thank you children. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.